I'm the founder of Unlocking ADHD. It's a 4-year-old, recently IPC charity. Okay, we just got it last month, and we're a social service agency. But I'm here to talk about not so much ADHD, though it's my favorite topic, but really how Pro Bono SG played a part in helping us to get off the ground. When I first started, it really was the ground up. Started off virtual during COVID. I had been a lawyer in other jurisdictions, but I wasn't as familiar with Singapore. And it really was also important to see what kind of entity I would start with. Through Pro Bono SG, we were able to connect with a lawyer to talk about the various options as vehicles, from society to company limited by guarantee. And knowing the pros and cons helped us make a decision, and we made the right one. We are a CLG, easier to transact and to grow rather than a society. So that was the first encounter with Pro Bono SG. And then as we got more things off the ground from just having ground-up volunteers, we had to look at other things like volunteer agreements. We started having people design graphics for us. What do we do with IP, right? Transfer of IP. Then when we had our first grant, to get to someone review the grant agreement, just to make sure we knew what we're doing. And also our first employee, because we had some funds now from the grants, so the employment agreement. And then, we have online support community. So then there's T's and C's. And then when we started doing programs, especially paid programs, what are the terms and conditions on refunds, on waivers of liability. Thank you for having me here to share.